A very good afternoon to whoever is seeing this video. So this is the demo slash tutorial slash product presentation for the Bear Integrated Digital Hackathon by Team Too Late. And this is our product Farm AR, also called as Farmer. Okay. So the problem statement which was given to us was that we had to come up with a digital label which would display all kinds of information to the farmer or the user. Okay, so we had to we had to take all the different information such as dosage and geography and effect and other information about the object and display it in a meaningful yet visually entertaining way to the farmer or the user so that they can get a better understanding of the product, right? So this is our solution. This, as you can see, this is an app. The first page is the welcome screen or the login screen. If you do not have an account, you have to go to the sign up and you have to sign up for it. And if you have an account, you can log in. So once you log in, you get a menu consisting of 4 different options. The first option is to scan a product. Using this, what the user can do is scan a product, a Bear product, using this application. This is a QR scanner. So every product will have a unique code attached to them. And once you scan it, you'll get different information about the object, right? Now let's say, for example, I have this bottle. So I'm assuming, let's assume this is a Bear product and this is a QR code attached to it. So once I scan the QR code, this will open a different menu. And in this menu, for this is for the demo is for the Delaro product. The Delaro product, like the usage and the geography and the disposability and the FAQ of the Delaro product will be like, once you click on them, you'll get you can see all the different things. This is for every product will have a different unique QR code, right? So this menu will be the same, but once you all the options for them will be different once opened, right? So once I click on the usage and dosage part, you can see what you'll see is the usage and dosage of the Delaro product. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so once I click on it, I have this menu, this screen. The white line, it's the detection for different planes. This is an augmented reality application. So what we need to first identify is a plane. Once you move the camera around and once it identifies a plane, it will show the white marker where you can place the different objects you need, right? So what I'll do is I'll place when you tap on the white marker, it will place the object. See?
Add approximately half of the required amount of water to the mixed tank with the agitator running. Add the Delaro 325 SC fungicide to the tank. Continue agitation while adding the remainder of the water. Maintain agitation until all of the mixture has been applied. The process is now complete.
Okay, so this is the 3D. This is in augmented reality, right? So this is my room, but you can move around and see the different parts and everything of all the different. I didn't have due to time constraint, I couldn't actually color and everything, but so these are the basic models I've made. So this is the mix tank where you mix the different fertilizers and prepare it. So this is our idea, that once you click on it, you will get a step-by-step demonstration of how to mix the product and how to use the product and everything. So this is obviously a little slim, it's a quite simplified version of what you actually have to do, but this is the step, right? First you have to mix half of the water and you give the fertilizer, then you mix the fertilizer and you keep the agitator running until you get until all the mixture is mixed uniformly, right? So this is how you can see for different products, like the usage and dosage. And for next we have the geography. The geography is the different, for right now it opens a different website, like this website I made myself. So you can go to this website. I'll leave the link of this in the project description. So once you click on the geography, you see it opens a world map, right? And these green points are the places where you can use the product. For right now, with Delaro, you can use the Delaro product, right? So this geography we can actually define through this, like all the different places. Obviously I wasn't so clear about all the points, but this is how we will do it, right? And this is for the geography part. And once we go back, for the disposability, again we will do something similar to the usage and dosage, but again due to time constraints I couldn't animate that part because it takes a lot of time and everything. And for the FAQ section, once you click on it, the Bayer website has a very good section on FAQ, so it redirects to that place, FAQs about the fungicide Delaro. So once we go back, we have so these are the options you have once you scan the product, right? Like the usage and dosage, which we can see in augmented reality. You can place anywhere and see, and then we have the geography, and then have disposability, and then FAQ, right? Now next we have a buyer product. Like once you click on it, you will have different lists of all the products you can buy. So we have herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. So right now, let's say I choose, I want to see what each product does. So I click on Leverage 360.
Leverage 360 insecticide has 2 modes of action against sucking and chewing pests. One delivers fast knockdown. The other extends residual control and helps plants stay vigorous for greater yields. It protects crops such as cabbages and tomatoes from pests such as leafhoppers and Colorado potato beetles. It enhances the crop's ability to handle a variety of biotic and abiotic stresses, thereby maximizing yields.
So once the demonstration is complete, you can either buy the product or you can browse through other products, right? So this is this is a menu where you can shop for different products, and it will show you all the different pests and all the pests which are controlled by the product and all the crops which are protected by the product. Like this one just showed leaf hoppers and potato beetles. Okay. And next we have track order. So once you buy a product, you can track where it is through this. Like if this is an example screen where you can see that if I bought a Propulse 5 mg, it has been ordered and then it has been shipped, but it's still not out for delivery. You can get the tracking ID and all the delivery instructions you can update and everything. So this is the standard. And last we have the Ask Bayer option. So your website has a very, the Bayer website has a very good and unique way to contact Bayer. So this is that's the same thing we have incorporated into in this app. You can enter all your names and your email and phone number, zip code, subjects, and then you can choose the all the different, it's career or education or general or media. You can choose the topic of yours. So this, I think this one glitched a bit, so I'll have to check on that anyway. So and you can enter the message, and then once you are done, you can just click on send and it will send the message. to a designated like email which we have. So this is the demonstration for the product. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much. I'll be ending this.